everyone! Join me today for an easy 8-minute practice to shake off stress, breathe deeper, and get energized for the day ahead. Stand up straight, then bring your hands together and rub gently until they feel nice and warm. Our hands have a direct link to our heart. Starting with your hands helps to balance and tonify the heart. It's also known for lifting the mood and makes us feel good. Then go ahead and gently massage your face. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your cheeks. Relax and soften your jaw. Then gently knock on your head. Relax for a moment. Then massage your ears. Make sure you cover the entire area. We have lots of points that helps to awaken the senses and makes us feel good. Then go ahead and knock on the shoulder. Repeat the same on the other side. Then find the area at the bottom of your neck. Knock with the open palm. Change hands and repeat. Then go ahead and rotate your shoulders. Give a good range of motion, relaxing and loosening the upper back. Change the direction, go forward. And relax fully. Then go ahead and tap the sides of the body, starting from your armpit towards your hip. Make sure you knock on your ribs. Same on the other side. Relax your hands down. Then bring your attention to the lower back and the kidneys. Knock on the door of life. The key points located there are considered key points for health and vitality and help to naturally boost our energy levels. Gently knock on the tailbone and the top of the glutes. And relax. Continue by tapping on the sides of your legs, down just below your knee. Slowly come back up and repeat one more time. Relax. Then make your hands into cups and gently tap the groin. This area is quite sensitive, so be gentle. Tapping this area helps to open and unblock the meridians, then go over the hips and legs. This is the liver, the kidney, and stomach and spleen. Relax here and shake off your legs. Keep your hands nice and warm. Next, to boost our energy levels, we're going to do a breathing sequence. Bring your hands in. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth and relax. Breathe in. Keep your breath full yet gentle. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Open your chest, expand your rib cage. Breathe out and relax. Next, breathe in, open your chest. Exhale, lean forward. Breathe in and stand back up. Exhale, arms flow down. Continue. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Inhale, open the chest to the sky. Exhale, lean forward, keeping your back nice and flat. Breathe in, little arch in your lower back. Exhale, sink down. Continue the exercise, breathe in fully and deeply. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Relax here and take a moment to notice how you feel, especially in your chest. Then bring your feet together, keep in a good posture. Turn to the side from your hips and your legs. Raise the hands up. Exhale, bend your knees and continue to rotate your shoulders as you slowly turn from side to side. Inhale as arms go up. Exhale as you sink down. Then change the direction. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Continue. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Come back to center and relax fully. Step out to the side, feet parallel. Take a nice deep breath in. Come up on your toes. Exhale, bounce into your heels. Allow this big wave of relaxation flow down your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Paying attention to subtle sensations throughout your body as we take those nice deep breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Soften and relax. Then round your hands and place under your navel. And take a moment to concentrate on yourself. Bring your awareness to your body and the space inside you. Feel the warmth underneath your hands, just below your belly. Feel the space inside your abdomen. Relax and soften your whole body. Relax your hands by the side and finish your practice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short energy boosting routine. If you would like to join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel so I can continue releasing free Qigong videos on YouTube. I wish you a good health, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.